Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is an electric power washer by a company called LawnMaster. So they sent this over, and as you can see, it is right here next to me. So the first thing that's going to stand out, you're going to notice it has this nice handle at the top, which makes this thing easy to move around. Now, when it comes to assembly, it's going to take no more than 10 minutes. Very easy to put together. All you need is a screwdriver. Everything else is included. This particular model is the LT2100B. And as I said, it has this nice handle, which makes it easy to tilt, get over kind of uneven surfaces. It also has a nice big 10-inch wheels, which also makes it nice to maneuver. One of the big things I love about this thing. You'll notice right in the front, it has a huge reservoir. That is perfect for soap. So if you are basically wanting to add any cleaning for your windows, or if you're wanting to add any cleaning detergents for your driveway, it's easy to put in there. You don't have to have this little reservoir that you're constantly filling it up. It has a massive reservoir at the bottom. However, if you just want to use straight up water, that's perfectly fine as well. You don't need to utilize the reservoir itself. The hose connection is right on the back, and it will do a straight hose line connection. Very easy to install. Now, as far as the cords themselves, you're going to have a 25-foot long hose cord that is hooked up to the sprayer itself, so you can get quite far from the unit itself. And then in addition to that, you have a 35-foot power cord. So if you're not really close to a power outlet, that's fine. You have plenty of distance. It also has built into it a little breaker switch, so that way if any water gets anything, it'll immediately cut the power, which is another nice safety feature that it has built in. Now, this particular power washer can do a max of 2,300 PSI, and it does a max of 1.2 gallons per minute. And then another thing that's really, really cool about it is it comes with 5 nozzles, and everything is stored right here on the device. It's another thing that I love about it. You don't have to worry about losing any parts because it's all right here on the device when you're not utilizing it. So first off, on the device I have is the turbo pressure washer part of it. That is absolutely great for tough stains. It's a much stronger stream. Then at the top, you're going to have 4 more different nozzle types. So first, you're going to have your 0-angle nozzle. Once again, that's also for great for cleaning your patio, getting up mold and whatnot, dirt. Then you're going to have your 25-degree nozzle. Then you're going to have your 40-degree nozzle. And then finally, you're going to have your soap nozzle. So the soap nozzles, obviously, if you're cleaning your car, your windows, whatnot, it's great for utilizing that. It really does a good job. So overall, very, very easy to use. As far as the trigger mechanism, it has everything you need on it. Very easy to hold in the handle. Very comfortable. The hose all comes off, so if you do want to get a longer hose, you can do that. It just is easy to swap out. It attaches on the side and to the bottom of the unit. The power button's right on the top. But overall, it is an absolutely great power washer. If you are in the market and you're looking to upgrade to an electric power washer, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.